Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check communities on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and if you want to check different communities and social media, just go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find three sections: the settings, community, and the more games. Go to the second, the community, and here you can find the Facebook, the Instagram, Twitter, and the YouTube community. And if you want to check, for example, the YouTube, just click the Go button and you can check the YouTube channel of this game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.